Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer my Yahoo email to Gmail. So let's get started. So here we are on Gmail, and the first things first is that you want to log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to click on the settings icon or the gear icon on the top right. Once you're here, click on See All Settings. Next, you want to click here on Accounts and Import. And then from here, you want to find the import mail and contacts. This is the feature that we will be using to import or transfer our Yahoo email. Click here on import from another address. And now from here, all you have to do is basically just provide your Yahoo email right here. So just for an example, I'm just going to go for my Yahoo email just for an example at yahoo.com. Click on continue once you're done. And then the next step would basically be you would need to sign in with your Yahoo email. You would need to provide a password, your email address, and your two-factor authentication if necessary. So those are the things that you would need to do after this step. But I will not be showing you that because those are my sensitive information. But this is basically on how you can do it. Just click here on continue, and then you will be asked for your login details on your Yahoo email so that it will now be connected to your Gmail. And yeah, that is basically how easy it is and how you can import your Yahoo email or transfer it to Gmail. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.